Next topic is features of a Python. The very first feature is readable. Python is a very readable language. Second feature is easy to learn. Learning Python is easy as this is expressive and high-level programming language, which means it is easy to understand the language and thus easy to learn. Third is cross-platform. Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. This makes it a cross-platform and a portable language. Fourth feature is open source. Python is an open source programming language. Fifth is large standard library. Python comes with a large standard library that has some handy codes and functions which we can use while writing code in a Python. Sixth feature is free. Python is free to download and use. This means you can download it for free and use it in your application. It has an open source Python license. Python is an example of FLOSS, that is, free or liberal open source software, which means you can freely distribute copies of this software, read its source code and modify it. Next feature is supports exception handling. If you are new, you may wonder what is an exception. An exception is an event that can occur during program. Exception and can disturb the normal flow of a program. Python supports exception handling, which means we can write less error-prone code and can test various scenarios that can cause an exception later on. The next feature is advanced features. Supports generators and list comprehensions. We'll cover this feature later. Ninth is automatic memory management. Python supports automatic memory management, which means the memory is cleared and free automatically. You do not have to bother clearing the memory. These were some of the features of the language Python.